show you guys my ingredients. What do I use? What do I put in my sandwiches? Let me show you guys. Miren guys, chequen esto. I found this Hawaiian keto bread. It is delicious. I tried a little piece, as you guys can see. Mírenlo, pero un pedacito, está rico este. Mire, este es lo que voy a usar, el pepper jack. I'm gonna use some pepper jack. I'm gonna use some ham, some mustard, guacamole. I can't be without the guacamole. El aguacate, lo que caiga. Some mayonesa over there. Some leftover greens. Ahí está mi lechuguita que voy a usar. And some ruffles. Que no se nos olvide. Aquí están mis pickles. Pickles. Yeah guys, esto es lo que voy a echarle a mis sandwiches. This is what I'm going to put in my sandwiches, guys. Yep, I'll be showing you guys right now. Check this out, guys. There's my sandwich. I am hungry, that's why I took a bite out. But look at, where? There's a Jill? Oh wow. There's a Jill in there.
It's way different than California.
Wow. Very different, Jill, than in Cali. Okay, miren. There it is. Check it out, guys. There's my sandwich. Miren, ahí está mi sandwich. Pero, yeah. Como van a mirar en el video, fíjense que decir. We went through some jail. And on the bridge there was this lady, she was trying to throw herself or something. The police were there. A truck driver. Huh? Sí. I know. Se fuera el tráfico. Traffic stuff. Oh. Check that out, guys. Check. Wow. That's crazy. Telling you. But anyways, like I was saying, there was a bridge, and this lady, she wanted to throw herself over the bridge. There was this truck driver that pulled over and caught and everything, and the cop was like, you know, hugging the other man that I guess good job, but that's sad. That is so sad. But it just goes to show, guys, we don't know what other people are going through, and yeah, está triste porque se andaba queriendo tirar a una señora del puente. Lo bueno es que estaba un troquero y se orilló y la agarró. Y ya estaban los policías ahí, la abrazaron. La agarraron y estuvieron ahí con ella, y el policía abrazó al señor. Estaba abrazando al señor, lo que miramos. Pero sí, that's sad. Está triste eso. Porque uno nunca sabe lo que está pasando en la gente, ¿verdad? Miren, voy a comer mi sándwich. El guacamole. Si no sigo batallando con eso.
¿Cómo es ese? ¿Sabes qué es?
A ver, que les enseño. Ah, ya sé lo que voy a hacer de comer. Compré, les enseñé en el grocery hut. Compramos mango habanero de ese del Buffalo Wild Wings, viene siendo, ¿va?
¿Eh?
El mango habanero.
La salsa es del Buffalo Wild Wings.
Del Buffalo Wild Wings. Voy a hacer unos camarones con esa salsita. Acá les voy a enseñar. No sé, a ver qué hago con eso. Ahí tengo unas papitas, a lo mejor algunas french fries o algo. A ver, ahí les enseño.
nomás, pues. Acá andamos, plebes, en Illinois, pues. Por acá andamos, viejones. Miren.
Excuse my socks.
Acá en Illinois. En el Illinois. Mira, porque
It's a resort. 1 mile. It is called. Oh, they did a snowman.
Where?
It's called Pana over there in that house in the back.
Oh, I see it.
These are some apartments.
Let's go to those apartments. Let's go to this park.
Look at the water's frozen,
Mira,
guys.
con los patines de volada.
Oh yeah, right. Fall
Ahí
in.
están todas las pisadas que tuvieron ahí los borregos.
I know, that's scary. Look at this little town, guys.
Bien chino.
It's called Pana.
Aquí en Pana, andamos en Pana. En Panamá.
Ay, ¿Pana qué?
Pana, Illinois.
Pana, Illinois, guys. Miren, check it out. It's a cute little town.
Mira,
Look at Cowboys,
baby. Look at that church. It's kind of big.
Look at that one over there.
That's why.
Oh, that one's the one you see?
Está tan chiquito el pueblo este, ¿eh?
Oh no, it just everything looks kind of together, ¿no?
Y ahorita y aquí ya estamos poblados. Aquí viniera, mira, echar gasolina. Mira la iglesicita esa.
Hey guys, just here, look at, I'm gonna have a little snack. Some blueberries. That's good. Some raspberries. And let me get a banana. A banana. Babe, give me a banana from up here because I don't know
Here,
how you do this.
here.
What?
Lo que quiere la banana.
Ahí arriba.
¿Lo quieres el pedazo ese que está ahí?
Ya me lo comí. Ahí está. Check it out, check it out.
Mira, ¿sabes qué? Voy a dejar estos cacahuates acá afuera yo. Para andas pidiendo. Si nos cargan ahorita de volada, pues mañana en la tarde nos vamos allá en Colorado.
En Colorado. Vamos a ver. Looking. Some yogurt. I have this one. Now, okay. You want some? You want some? So let's get a banana, a raspberry, and a blueberry. It's a good little snack. Instead of eating a piece of cake like I want to, or a chocolate bar. It's a bomb. Some granola. Yeah, that'll be bomb. Piece of banana with a blueberry.
Right now.
No, it's fine. Hey guys, look at gonna start making some dinner. I'm gonna do 2 of these corns. I'm gonna do 3 potatoes. We got 2 onions, some serranos. Don't mind the jalapenos, I mean the pickles. I'm gonna use this sauce for my shrimp, guys. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Show you how everything's gonna be. Check it out right here, guys. I put my potatoes and my onions. I peeled them. I cut them in half, but not all the way through. My jalapenos, I poked some holes on it. Even on my potatoes, I added some extra virgin olive oil, and I added some of my seasonings. For those of you that don't know, I made this one at home. It has salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and I believe sazon, the sazon powder. Yep. But they're going in the air fryer, and let's see, guys. Here my corn, I got the little brush and all the leftover extra virgin olive oil and the seasoning. I put it in there. Here I'm gonna add my shrimp that I have down there. I'm gonna mix it in there. Once it's super hot and my corn and everything's almost done, I'll add them in there, because I'm only gonna leave them there for a few minutes, 3-4 minutes max, I think, in the air fryer. I'm not exactly sure, but I'll be checking them and I'll be showing you guys. Check it out, guys. Look at they're smelling so good. Let's see. Okay, we're still driving. We still gotta drive maybe what, like 4 more hours. But I'll be showing you guys. I got my shrimp over here. Yep, there it is. You guys, I've been adding some butter. I've been rubbing it all over all of that. There we go. Look at how delicious that looks. Yes, it does. Check it out, guys. Oh my God. Look at, this is his plate. We got some shrimp. It has this mango habanero. They are super delicious. Look at my corn, a chilito, the onion. Look at, I put some butter all over that. I put some sour cream, cheese, seasoning, and some sour cream. Look at, guys, super delicious, super delicious. This is my plate. Well, that's my plate, guys. I'll be showing you guys. We are gonna eat because we are so hungry right now. Look at, check this out. It came out good, huh? So delicious. Look at this little onion right here. Always, baby, always. Let's try this, guys. Let's try it.
Right now.
Oh no, that serranos are super spicy.
Now with that habanero.
Did you try the corn?
Eh?
Did you try the corn?
Ayer ese lo creo por
Nah, I'm gonna mix all my papita and everything together. Let's get a piece of onion. For those that like onions, oh my God, guys, how's the onion, babe?
Wow. Oh, quedó delicioso.
A little bit of everything.
Monday?
A little bit of everything. Oh my God, it tastes so good.
So good.
The mango habanero sauce and the shrimp. Bomb.
Bomb.
So good. Oh, but it is spicy. Okay. The cebollitas right there.
There's a way station. It's close.
Qué bueno. Oh my god. It's spicy, huh? Oh, it's spicy though.
That's why I told you I'm not gonna eat the serrano. You crazy if you think I'm gonna eat the serrano?
I could feel it in my pants already.
You ate it?
No, but it was right there in the on top of my corn. Como que agarró todo el chile. Okay, let's bite, guys. Oh my god, excuse me. Well, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell to get notified every time I upload a video, guys. Bye, guys. See you guys in another video. Bye, guys.